Hi, I'm Rob Jones, the artist from Wooden Alchemy. I'm standing out front of our Camden, Maine store that we opened this spring. I thought it'd be a good time to take you on a little tour of our store, so come on in. Wooden Alchemy is a fun store filled with Maine-made, laser-cut wooden gifts for anyone, or as an indulgence for yourself. We have ornaments of several designs, all for $8. Useful coaster sets and trivet hot plates, votive candles that display flickering geometric patterns, our one-of-a-kind decorative wooden bowls, and perhaps our most popular, our ever-growing water map cribbage boards and wall hangings. Our store is full of so many unique gifts you probably have never seen anywhere before. As a fun bonus, we have a mini Craftsmanship Museum full of some of my best wood carvings, lathe work, and other woodwork, including brass musical instruments made from wood. Let's take a closer look at some of our great product lines. I get asked a lot how I came up with this idea, and I was making banjos and wooden seashells at the time, and I visited my mom, and she had a wooden wind twirler hanging off of her woodshed, and a lot of people had those at the time. I looked at it and I was wondering if I could possibly make a bowl that had that look to it, this overlapping stepped pattern that was so eye attractive. The first bowl that I came up with, the first design that I came up with, was this pattern right here. This is the spiral pattern. And I conceived of it with cutting out multiple layers with a scroll saw and gluing up rings, concentric rings. After I made the first prototype, I realized I was kind of onto something. So I played around with some other designs, and 10 years later, I have quite a few patterns here to choose from, and we're still adding new patterns all the time. One of our popular lines are our ornaments. We have over 60 different designs, a little something for everybody. They make great Christmas ornaments, obviously, but people like to hang them year-round. I have here a few of our more popular designs. We have different stringed instrument ornaments. A lot of these can be name dropped too. You can put your own name, your kid's name on them or something. We have cute little birdhouse ornaments and, of course, zodiac ones. Those are very popular. And our best-selling one of all is the old style of lobster trap. The lobster trap and the birdhouse ornaments are about $14 a piece, but all the other ornaments are $8 each. So our most popular product that we have is our water cribbage boards and wall hangings. People absolutely love having a custom map made of a lake that's near and dear to them. They have a camp on there, or they live there, or they travel there for the summer. There's rentals in these places. These are so accurate that you can find a really good fishing spot on them. They're really great. We started this time last year, just 1 year ago. We had about 8 different designs, some of the bigger lakes in Maine, Moosehead, Flagstaff, East Grand Lake. And we were getting so many requests. I mean, it was like 1 or 2 requests per day. And we're like, wow, that's kind of an indication that maybe we're onto something kind of good here. So we had a little bit of spare time last year, like a lot of people did, and I kind of dedicated some time to designing the lakes. And now we have 65, and I currently have a backlog of 40 more to work on, and we still get about a request per day for them. But 65 designs, most of them are cribbage boards, but they all are wall hangings also. So there's cribbage on the front, and there's a little spot on the back for hanging it on the wall. It's a beautiful piece of wall art. It'll show the roads, on a lot of cases in some of the local towns. Tahoe is kind of one of my favorite ones. I like that it was a arrowhead look to it. Some of them are really easy to design, and by really easy, I say it's probably about 4 hours to design one from scratch. And then some of them, like Winnipesaukee, this took about 100 hours to design. Winnipesaukee has 258 islands. We put a lot of extra roads in on this so it would appeal to a lot of different people. They're kind of fun to really see what's going on underwater. You just look across and see flat water out there, but there's really a lot more going on underwater. So this is a big part of the future of Wooden Alchemy. We're going to keep expanding them, and as we get more requests, and if there's multiple requests for a lake, that kind of rises a little bit closer to the top. I'll be excited about getting that done so we can get it into the store. Camden, Maine is a great place to visit with schooner trips, Mount Batty, hiking trails, great restaurants, and a waterfall. But don't forget to stop into Wooden Alchemy at 19 Elm Street for some of the most unique and fun shopping Maine has to offer.